I'm Michelle Amon, and I am the Vice President of Residential Services in our nursing department. DSPs matter. Without them, we couldn't do what we do at Black Hills Works. They provide excellent teaching skills and support. They give them themselves, and they have purpose in their job. So thank you, DSPs, for this week and the upcoming weeks. We couldn't do it without you, and we appreciate your hard work.
My name is Melanie Haps, and I live here in Rapid City, born and raised in Hot Springs, and my daughter is serviced through the Black Hills Works. Her name is Renee. I would just like to say that Black Hills Works is amazing. They are so helpful. They have so many opportunities for not only Renee, my daughter, but for me as well. Without them, I don't know where we would be in life, and I don't know how Renee would be as independent and successful in life as she is. I know that my daughter is going to be taken care of with the most love and care that they possibly can. I have no worries about that whatsoever. And that in itself is just a huge peace of mind for me.